Ever felt the thrill of setting sail into the unknown? In Roblox Fisch, your adventure begins with a boat. But there's a catch. Before you can even think about sailing, you need to complete the tutorial quests. It all starts with talking to Pierre on the starter island, Moosewood. Pierre will ask you to catch 3 fish. Equip your flimsy fishing rod and get ready to master the art of fishing. Once you've caught the fish, return to Pierre. He'll then ask you to sell enough fish to make 500 Canadian dollars and buy your first fishing rod. With the tutorial quest completed, it's time to visit the shipwright. But don't rush, he won't talk to you until you finish those quests. Your first boat, the rowboat, costs 700 sea dollars. It might seem like a lot, but it's your ticket to the open seas. After purchasing your rowboat, scroll up the boat list and hit the spawn button. Your boat will appear between the piers, ready for your adventure. Beware, the rowboat is slow and hard to steer. If you can, save up for a better boat like the Quack Cruiser or the Hovercraft. To make more money, complete quests, or sell the fish you catch. Each quest and fish brings you closer to affording better boats.